If you've ever worked with plush yarn before, you know how difficult it is to make a magic ring on it. The yarn breaks, the magic ring won't fasten, it's just no good. So I've come up with a pretty simple solution. You know how you wrap yarn around your finger when you make a magic ring? Well, all you have to do is to exchange the plush yarn with some other type of yarn. It will fasten much easier. Instead of wrapping the plush yarn around your finger, use the other type of yarn to make the base of your magic ring with it. Now you just have to figure out how to hold your working yarn. I won't help you with that because I might make my magic ring in a different way than you do, and it's just a matter of your convenience. After you've finished your magic ring, just tie the ends and that's it.